smooth, brush smooth, and all clear. As my head is bald and shiny, it is also smooth. Because I do smoothing. All you have to do is hold down when using the brush when you want to smooth something and start my job. While carving, even with another brush, hold down Shift and I will act like a magic wand's gesture. You noticed Shift on your t-shirt, now you know how to call me. Shift. Shift. Yes, you are not wrong, Shift. Time for a moment out. The joy of creating for fun.
Time to clear out.
You don't need much to sculpt. One of the key tools, that is me smooth, you've just met. Nice to meet you too. We will smooth more than one mountain. Stay foolish. Stay hungry. Or eat something.